Welcome, students, to explore how you can best prepare for your assessments, from daily homework to reflective revision, and how this connects to your end-of-topic tests and even your end-of-year exams. Take a look at this diagram. It outlines the journey from being introduced to a topic all the way to preparing for your exams. Let's start with the first stage, being introduced to a topic. This is where your learning begins. Your teacher will guide you through various activities such as discussions, hands-on experiments, or problem-solving tasks. Some teachers might also include an end-of-lesson or end-of-topic quiz, often on platforms like Kahoot. These quizzes are typically informal, helping you and your teacher identify what you've understood and where there may be gaps in learning. Next, we have homework and reflective revision. After each lesson, your teacher might assign homework. This is your opportunity to practice what you've learned, reflect on the lesson, and solidify your understanding. Even if homework isn't assigned, it's a good idea to take a few minutes to make notes about what you learned in class. These notes can be invaluable when you prepare for tests. Then comes the end-of-topic test. These tests are more formal than quizzes and are designed to assess your knowledge and understanding of the entire topic. Your performance here often contributes to your term grade, alongside homework and class participation. Finally, at the end of the year, you'll take a comprehensive exam. This exam covers all the topics you've studied throughout the year. Preparing for it will be much easier if you've been consistent with your homework, end-of-topic tests, and reflective revision. To make revision smoother, keep all your homework, notes, and end-of-topic tests together. This way, when it's time to review, everything you need will be in one place. Remember, staying organized, practicing daily, and reflecting on your learning are key habits that will set you up for success, not just in your tests, but in mastering the subject as a whole. You've got this.